viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you my favorite recipe, that's the American Chopsuey. I hope you will enjoy watching this. Here I have already kept the noodles for boiling. I have taken around 300 grams of noodle and they have almost boiled. I'm going to turn off the heat. You can take any noodles of your choice. You can just take Maggi or any instant noodle is also fine. So I'm going to strain this. So to this I'm going to add some cold water. Once this is drained completely, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and give it a mix. And drizzle a teaspoon of oil as well. This will prevent the noodles from sticking. Kept the wok on high flame and have added the oil for deep frying. Now I'm going to take the noodles and just add the noodles into 2 to 3 batches. I'm gonna fry the noodles until they turn crispy and they have to turn into golden brown in color. Now I'm gonna flip the noodles. So they are perfect, they have turned golden brown in color. Now I'm going to remove this. So let's prepare our sauce. In a wok I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon crushed garlic. Just saute this. Now I'm gonna add 1 onion sliced, medium sized onion. $250 grams of boneless chicken cut into thin strips. I'm going to add it. Saute this well. 1 medium carrot strips. 1 medium capsicum cut into strips. Keep it on high flame itself and saute this. We need to stir fry all these. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Half teaspoon salt. Later on we will adjust the salt. Saute this well. To this I'm going to add half teaspoon soy sauce just for the flavor. Half cup tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons red chili sauce. Let's stir this. Now add 2 cups of water. Let this come to a boil. 1 tablespoon sugar. Now add salt as required. Earlier also we had already added the salt. Stir this. The water has started bubbling. I have taken around 1 tablespoon of corn flour and I have added some water and made a slurry. Now I'm going to add this into the sauce and just stir this. So this is a perfect tangy tomato sauce. As I want it to be a little spicy, I'm going to add half teaspoon chili flakes. This is totally optional. If you don't want, you can just skip this. And lastly, half teaspoon vinegar, white vinegar. Stir this well. After adding all the ingredients, I'm going to cook this for a minute and then turn off the flame. So turn off the flame. Let's do the plating. Into a serving plate, I'm going to add the fried noodles. And now I'm going to add the sauce on top of this. Sprinkle some spring onions on top of this. And lastly, I'm going to place the egg on top of this, sunny side up. So this is my perfect chop suey. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes. Do share it with your friends and family too.